ka jingjia jong ka jingkluma ra kamiet jong ka apsau trik nai tung araja arpulai ha ka ba ka office jong mitrang ba ka bodan Tura ka ba ka tei ka office kala sather mau bat dan ru ki pulit ki bala mansau kata mariawai ka jelang jong mitrang ba u konrad ki sangma bat ka seng achik GHSMC bat ki wei ban yekren halor ki artli ki mat ki ba ki tei ki seng kamlong ka basuk ban shukunno bat kan tho ba ki pulit ki tlot ha ka bor syntiat ong ukhlidu ka sarkar MDA Habawe rikilat thai khubor haka office treikam jong u secretariat ka bawlo khot kum ka press conference u mintrang ba ulong ka jingjia hakto kamiet kamya ha bon shukunno bai manla ka por ba ki bor pulit kitulot ha ki bor syntiat lani kata intelligent failure namar haswa ka jelang ka bala thu ban pelong ha ka chaka badan jingki ki pulit kla de ong ba onnom pelong jelang ha ka to ka chaka kamlong ka basngai bat kumta la pelong ha office ka badan marjan bat ka chaka yakhi.
First of all, let me be very clear. It is the police who defended me, not harmed me. They were right in the front, protecting me and protecting the other people sitting inside, including the leaders of the NGOs. The people who tried to harm were the people who were outside. So I don't think that's a correct analysis. The harm was being caused by the people who are outside. Who they are, only time will tell. But the police were doing their duty and they did it very well. And they swiftly acted, they put themselves in the front, they got injured and they protected and they did their duty. So I think it is completely incorrect, especially coming from a former chief minister who should understand the role and responsibility of what the police does when they always are in the front, sacrificing and even endangering their lives. I think condemning them is not the right thing to do and it's not fair at all. It's easy to put blame on anybody, and police was doing their duty. They defended whoever was inside there. They were defending the NGOs, leaders who were inside, who could not leave, who were also with me. They could not go out because they were also being attacked. So tomorrow somebody could say that the police are the agents of the NGO also. So you can come to any kind of conclusion and connect two dots. That is something that I have no comment on.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.